Hey guys, I'm going to do some peas today. I usually use 250 grams of peas, all right? I soaked these overnight. I only had 216 grams left. I just purchased 25 pounds, will be coming next week. But I'm going to see how this takes, and I'm going to grow this in Coco Coir, all right? I have a solid tray below. A solid tray, and this is a slotted tray. Now the solid tray below will hold the moisture later on after this comes out of blackout. And what I did prior to soaking these seeds is, after soaking these seeds, I did drain all the filtered water out of here, which is using a colander, etc. And I weighed them on the scale prior. But anyways, I'm going to use this. I'm just going to spread this out instead of using my hands at the moment. Sometimes I do use my hands, but this has worked out well. I can break up the core with it, spread it out, level out the core as best as you can. I did a buckwheat tray earlier this morning. I did use a small tray this morning, the new trays that I have, and cut some lettuce with a radish heart in the middle. Yes, I mix my greens because they're going to get mixed in a salad anyways. I don't sell these. I've been growing microgreens for over 11 years, doing spicy mix and wheatgrass. Now I'm going to take the small board. This is a board that I use for my laminate floors. I used to spread everything out. And I pat it down a little bit. And that's looking pretty darn good. I have a little core here. Look, and I'm going to just use a small paintbrush. Seeing that it's dry at the moment, semi-dry. And I'm going to wet this down, core off the edge a little bit, core off the edge of the tray. I wash down all our trays. My wife washes them down. She'll empty out the remaining microgreens after they grow and the core into our garden beds. Some of it will grow again, and we'll see what happens. Now I'm going to take the seeds, just spread them out. You might be able to see I'm using a Gopro Hero 9 up above me. It's working properly. We'll see. Does it? You should be able to see these beautiful Speckled Pea Microgreens. I have another one, a video that I just completed on YouTube and other sites. It's on MeWe as well, where you can find me. I'm on Telegram, see me on Pinterest as well. I'm just spreading out the seeds with my hand, my fingers at the moment, because they have them look semi-spread out. I can see where the extra few grams that I'm missing of the 250 grams, because this is 216, which is 34 grams I'm missing, would have helped, but that's okay. These will grow more than enough. Maybe this is all I need in a tray. I never really did it this low in grams before. Now I'm going to take the board once again, press them down, just gingerly. And these peas are delicious. Make smoothies out of them. You can put them in your muffins, any of your dishes. My wife's made some beautiful muffins yesterday. Corn muffins. I placed the sunflower in it, and it was delicious. Now, I normally put another tray over the top of this and weight it down with my camera seed bags, or you could use a brick, block, whatever. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is, I had a pea that fell down, but that's okay. I'm going to use my tin foil, aluminum black foil, and spray down with peroxide. Set it, not use a number of times. it gets wrinkled, you can flatten it right out, roll it out with a rolling pin, whatever you want to use. And I'm just going to place this over the top. I did mark it for date. Place that over the top. Just close it down on the sides. You guys have a great day. Keep laughing out loud. Smile. Enjoy life. Have fun. Stay healthy and safe.